To finish number 4 off, make sure you have your labels on here. So if this is my angle, 200 is right next to that angle. It is the adjacent leg. X is across from my angle. It is the opposite leg. And the hypotenuse is not going to be bothered to be labeled because nobody cares about it. So if I'm using opposite and adjacent, to find X, I'm going to use tangent. So I'm going to say tangent of my angle is equal to the ratio of the opposite leg over the adjacent leg. Every time you find a side, you will cross multiply. X times 1 will be on one side of my equal sign. 200 times the tangent of 40 will be on the other side. So that's what needs to go into my calculator. 200 times tangent of 40, as long as you are already in degrees. So 200 times the tangent of 40. I get 167.81. So I'm just going to leave it as 167.8, but that's only this height. If somebody falls out of that balloon, they're not going to hit the ground yet because there are 4 more feet to hit the bottom. So the total height is this X value I just found plus 4 more feet. It's the 167.8 plus 4 more feet. Therefore, my height is 171.8 feet. So in class, we set up number 4, but I hadn't done all of it, so that's the rest of that one. Number 6, I had set up the equation with you, but I hadn't solved it. So just like the one we just did, I'm going to create a proportion to solve. X times 1 gets me X on its own at the beginning of this problem. 125 times the sine of 35 is 125 times the sine of 35. That's what I'm going to put in my calculator. So 125 times the sine of 35. Oops, sorry. So I'm seeing 71.69. The 9 after the 6 makes it round up to a 7. So that height is about 71.7 feet.